Hello, my home sliding motor gate opens halfway and stops. Do you know what it can be from?
Hello, this is Albert with JustAnswer. I am sorry that you are having this problem. I will do all I can to help you with your request. Please give me a few minutes to do some research and I'll be right back. Thanks. Hello, customer. I have read your request. Your gate has forgotten its parameters that were originally programmed. You will have to reset the memory and reprogram the parameters again. This could have been caused by an electrical spike of some sort. Not sure if you still have your owner's manual. If not, I can look up the model and send you a digital copy. Please let me know if needed. Also, I would need the brand and model number of your door opener. Thanks.
Take 1. Take 2. Take 3. Take 4. Take 5. Problem is, it does not always close that same part. Sometimes it moves a bit and stops. Sometimes moves more. Sometimes makes alarm sound, so I have to turn it off from switch. Never had this kind of issue and been using it for years. The engine moves. But sometimes engine moves and stops. Thank you so much. I hope we figure out.
You're welcome. This should be a very easy fix. Please let me know if there's anything else that I can help you with. Thank you for using JustAnswer.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.